Hey everyone! Welcome back to my channel. Today, we're going to whip up a delicious and healthy vegetable fried rice, a Chinese classic. So, let's get started. First, we need 2 cups of cold, cooked rice. Day-old rice works best, but if you don't have any, you can always make some fresh. Next, let's chop up 1 cup of mixed veggies like peas, carrots, and corn. Then, we'll add 2 green onions, chopped, and 2 garlic cloves, minced. Now, for the seasoning, we'll use 1 tablespoon of soy sauce and 1 teaspoon of sesame oil. And finally, we'll need 2 tablespoons of vegetable oil. If you're feeling adventurous, you can even add an egg, scrambled separately. And there you have it! A scrumptious vegetable fried rice that's not only tasty but also packed with nutrients. I hope you enjoyed this recipe as much as I did. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and follow for more mouth-watering dishes. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.